All right, welcome back to another episode of the Wisdomized Trader. And today, as always, we're gonna dive into the depth of the crypto market, and we're gonna see what's going on right now in this very moment. And we're gonna select one or two high-performing cryptos from the Wisdomized intelligence, so that you can profit and be informed in the best possible crypto assets. So, without further ado, let's dive into it. But before that, I just wanted to say that we are seeing some weakness for, I would say, first time. A majority of the altcoins are down minus 15%, and even more so are down um, meme coins, even top meme coins. So we're seeing a bit of rotation here all across the board, and as I already told in the community as well, it's a wise decision to keep your uh, powder dry and have some allocation. Approximately 35 to 40% would be good to have in stables at any given moment, so that if we see a massive splash out like we're gonna see many times all over, then you will be ready to capitalize on the best possible opportunities and buy the potential reversal, because the bull run is real and we're probably gonna see a continuation of that. So without further ado, let's see if we will get a good opportunity to see some um, altcoins or even high caps to ape. But for now, let's see. So this obviously needs to be deleted. But Bitcoin is trading in this 100,000 region, up and down. With it's basically, for me, it's creating liquidity. So it's just collecting both shorts and longs, and at the same time liquidating those both sides. So from my perspective, it's actually very choppy market currently, and as you can see, week here, week up, week down. There's not much going on, and I think ultimately we're gonna see a clean movement of this range. But until then, there is probably nothing to do. So I personally believe we're gonna just hover around this area for the time being, and this will probably last for at least a few more weeks. So BTC is probably going to stay in this range for the next weeks, and while this is being the truth, let's see if this will be the truth. But until then, the BTC Dominance will find its new horizon. And as you can see, I've been telling you about this many times. So whenever we have hit 60% Bitcoin dominance in the past, we actually have sold off to approximately 40% region. And from there, we have actually been in a sideways range for approximately, let me see, where is this? Approximately 90 days. So BTC down, altcoins up, and the altcoin season can start. But for now, we need to see if Bitcoin will actually rise back to 60%, make a double top from this region, from 55 to 60, and then drop from here. This would be ideal scenario, because this would give us a perfect altcoin rally, the mega pump, the mega rally in about early January, which I believe is going to be true. So, but for now, it doesn't have to be true. So effectively, we can also create a continuation pattern and keep on going down from here. As you can see, we also have broken up of this short-term trend line on BTC. So there's two options for me. So either we're gonna go right now to the downside with altcoins being strong and the liquidity is being um, poured or rotated from BTC to altcoins or not. But as you can see, majority of the top memes, in my opinion, that I have carefully selected over the past 3 to 4 months are performing exceptionally poorly. Majority of them are down -10%, and some are even more. So red day for the markets in general, and we have a lot of other memes as well underperforming clearly, and altcoins are actually outperforming currently the meme coins, but it should be this way as well because altcoins are usually more volatile. So if they go up, they go up in size, and if they go down, they just go down in size. So this is very much anticipated and expected. So just going through the list real quick, as you can see, everything is red. There is a clear opportunity for shorting the market. Obviously, the market doesn't go up all the time. Sometimes we have corrections, and this is indeed looking like a real good correction indeed here. So look at this. There are only as many cryptos that are actually looking green, but only few. So it's a red day. It's a flash out day. There's going to be lots of leveraged longs being liquidated, and this is actually a healthy sign. So obviously the market can go up all the time, and it has to create those patterns that we all know. But yeah, as you can see, even Solana, it's this chart is looking very bullish, but it actually took out its high and reversed. So it could be a continuation like this, like a little flag pattern here, and then we can go up again. But ultimately, we will see if this is true, I think, in the next few weeks at least. So looking to see for more bullish momentum, but for now, obviously, we are moving in this bearish trend. And again, these are the moments where you actually have to have this liquidity being available for you at any given time. And this is the opportunity to buy assets that are less valuable, but are actually high performing and have really good technology built inside. Let's take a look at Wisdomized token, which actually has been performing not too well, but it has a perfect technical setup. In my opinion, this is a clean box trade, which is a consolidation box. Now we have broken out from it, and we actually have stayed above it. So with this in mind, I believe that there is going to be a new leg up. So we're just retesting this previous box with a, I would say, flag nature. So it could be a really good sign for us to go and have this retest. The only invalidation would be if we will close back here in this box, and then what we'll do is we will extend this box to a bigger one. But for now, I believe that most likely this is a breakout of the consolidation box, and we're going to see more upside from here, and this is going to happen fast. So, Wisdomized token is not a very high market cap crypto. So if it goes and does insane amounts of volume in one day. So when people will discover it, it can do 200% in one day easily. But for that, you have to be actually involved. So without further ado, let's dive into the Wisdomize intelligence as well. I'm going to just put this back, and Wisdomize intelligence again is going to show us the best performing assets based on social metrics, as we are monitoring so many different alpha groups and also Twitter posts. And basically what it does, it really monitors the attention, and attention in crypto is everything. So this means that how many people are actually talking about it, and as you can see, majority of the people are buying cryptos that are suggested to uh, other from other people. So effectively, this is a call-based economy. So uh, key opinion leaders, influencers, and celebrities, what they're saying, we usually do. So these are accounts with large followings around um, starting from 100,000, and this is exactly what we're seeing here. This is these are the assets that are being most shared in the crypto space, and that are probably going to outperform other assets in the short term. So wise logic is actually one of the best ways you can buy assets, but you actually have to see the many aspects of it. So based on just social radar, I wouldn't just buy anything myself, but again, it actually might just work um, perfectly. But for me, what's more important is that I am able to see the chart as well, because I really want to see something that is uh, looking like it has bottomed out and has not yet moved too much. So this looks like a mosaic. So again, and not only chart, but you actually have to see the website, you actually have to see the Twitter and Telegram as well in order to make a rational decision. And this is something that I can't really come and say, hey, this is good or not, but you have to do your own research and your own analysis in order to actually understand and learn how to trade yourself. So this looks like a meme coin, is a mosaic. It looks like this actually doesn't look too bad, in my opinion. Arbitrum one. So I would like to see what is this in general. So we're seeing liquidity market cap 6.6. So you can buy this on two chains simultaneously, and the chart looks similar on both of them, and we could be into something. I mean, the content is actually quite good. So no, this is not actually a meme coin. This is something else. Yes, this is AI powered yield farming vault. You can have liquidity strategies and yield. It could be interesting, in my opinion. But let's take a look at some others. So there is a token called Cheese, which is a pump fund token, and I would like to see what is actually happening behind the scenes with this token. No, this chart doesn't look good at all, in my opinion. So it is probably, and what's also important is that you see that it has launched and it actually went up quite significantly, and then it was dumped all over again. And this is a not really good sign, because this is someone dumping large quantities, and this is not going to end well usually. So again, we are seeing a lot of meme coins pumping up every now and then, but what's really important here is that the cryptos that are here on the Wisdomized dashboard, sometimes they are here for many times, and one of them is this me token that has been talked about a lot. But and I actually saw this on many posts in Twitter as well today. But it looks like this is not going to. This might be even the wrong token, not the real one. So I'm looking to see something that's actually uh more interesting. And Honestly, I wouldn't buy any meme coins as of now. So some real world utility would be probably much better. And given that it is a base season in this very moment, so the liquidity is switching to base as a lot of the coin-based customers are entering the market. So there is a real world tokenization crypto being available at market cap 15.5 million, fair value, fully diluted valuation 130 million. Um, no, I mean this chart looks to me like a continuation chart, like continuation pattern, but I would probably not choose this one based on my intuition and experience. So I would rather Kanzai KA. I actually don't really like that if something has many addresses as well. But we're gonna keep on looking for a good play that can actually run. Okay, so what we have here. This is looking like AI agents tool, trading tool. Okay, this looks good. It has something that catches my eye for sure. Contract is based on Ethereum. It has 5.3 million market cap. Let's take a look at Twitter. And what's most important about Twitter is that you don't actually watch only the the project itself, but you actually look what the top posts are telling. So you really want to see what people are telling about this token, not just the Telegram or the Twitter account of this itself, but um, from people who actually are trading this. So you need to really understand where is the sentiment and how people are perceiving this. There is much more information about this in general. So you really want to dive into what other people are talking about it because you really want to see um, the how hundreds of different people are doing the analysis for you, right? And obviously there is a lot of misinformation as well, but again, it's very important that before buying anything, you will see what other people are talking about this specific crypto. And the best way you can do this is if you go to top posts or latest, um, then you will most likely have a better understanding of what this is about and what is the potential. So buying something that has 5.3 million market cap and has AI in it, but again, this volume is very low, so it's probably not gonna move too much. And there are only 500 holders, which also means that a lot of the cryptos or a lot of it is yeah, it's a team has 80% of the token, so you don't want to buy this. The team should not have more than 20% of the tokens. I mean, 20 is already too much, but 10, you know, you can potentially do you can do something with this, but usually over 20 is not a really good sign, in my opinion, at least based on my own experience. So would like to see some smaller caps then. Connect. What is this about? Let's see. It's an Ethereum contract. And you really need to search for all these stickers inside of the deck screener platform as well, not just in one. So it's very important. Keep that in mind. So this website looks like not the best one. I would say this probably probably would. Yes, no, this is not the one. This is not our trade, you know. So you actually have to put in the time and understand the trade in itself. It's let's take a look at newest cryptos on the intelligence, right? So we probably want to see Polytrade. Not sure. Verify. Data ownership protocol. That's interesting. Let's see. Copy the contract. Okay. Yeah. Okay. The volume is too low. The volume is too low for such a big market cap. I don't think this, even though the chart looked good, the chart looks decent enough to actually have 112,000 holders. This is not good. 18 wallets have interacted with this. So unique wallets. No, this is not the trade. No, like that's the thing. Not every day is a trading day. Not every time you will find a good opportunity. But the thing is, you have to come back and see for yourself always. So with this in mind, today no trade, but we analyzed the market and we went through the the dashboard and saw if there are any opportunities for us. And for me, there was no opportunity, and that's completely fine. So we'll come back later, and we come back every day to see if there are good opportunities or not. So it's just literally how easy it is, right? So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. I will keep on coming back here every day and entertain you as much as I can. See you. Goodbye.